Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to read and write files in Python. I'll be using Anaconda for this tutorial. Anaconda is an excellent Python distribution that comes with Python. Many useful packages like Pandas and a package and environment manager called Conda. So all you need to do is to go to your web browser and search for anaconda.com and download the software. I'll be using Spider, which I already opened. So let's create a folder. Let's name it create file. So we go to our Spider, click on file, open, look for the folder we created, then copy the directory path. Just file, then paste it here, enter. Now let's organize our data in Python using a nested dictionary. I already did this in my notepad. Make everything very easy for us. Now, each row of the table is written as an inner dictionary. These dictionaries are often collected as the values in outer data dictionary. The dictionary is denoted with the curly bracket. The corresponding keys for data are the three-letter country code. Now, we can use this data to create an instance of a Pandas data frame. First, we need to import Pandas. Now that we have Pandas imported, we can use the data frame constructor and data to create a data frame object. Select everything by holding our left click, select it, click here. Use the data. Now let's read our data into a CSV file. A CSV file is a comma separated value. This is the CSV file created. Now we already have our data saved in a CSV file. Let's try and read the CSV file. In this case, Pandas read underscore CSV function returns a new data frame with the data and labels from the file data.csv. We assign a zero-based column index to this parameter. Let's run it. Now let's read and write Excel files. This is the Excel file created, and as well open it. Let's read the Excel file. After writing the Excel file, we want to read it. We should notice that NaN, which stands for not a number, is a particular floating point value in Python. Can you see that? This is Russia, the continent. There's no value for it. That's why it returns NaN. Now let's replace all the NaN with something else. Let's say we're going to replace it. We're going to represent it. We're going to represent the NaN. Let's say missing. Watch it very well. This code produces the file new data.csv. Let's run it. You can now see that the NaN has been replaced with missing. Now that we have real date, we can save them in the format we like. Let's implement this. So we save it into this formatted data.csv. Save it there. Then we want the date format. I'm sorry. Here, we specify the parameter date format to be this. The format means the date will first display the full name of the month, then the day, followed by a comma, and the full year. Let's run it. We can also save the data from our data frame to a JSON file. JSON file stands for JavaScript Object Notation. Let's implement this. This code produces the file data column.json. This is the JSON file created. Let's try and open it. Notepad. This is how it will look like. The JSON file has one large dictionary with the column label as key and the corresponding inner dictionary as values. You can get different file structure if you pass an argument for the optional parameter orient. The orient parameter defaults to columns. Here we've set it to index. You can also read our data into an HTML file. An HTML is a plain text file that uses hypertext markup language to help browser render web pages. Let's do this. Let's run this. Let's check for it. We should notice that we haven't obtained an entire web page. We've just output the data that corresponds to the data frame in the HTML format. We can also create a data frame object from a suitable HTML file using the read HTML, which will return a data frame instance or a list of them.